Why are so many people nowadays struggling to manifest their soulmate, their life partner, and get married? Yes, this is a very common challenge that a lot of people are facing. After talking to more than thousands of people, I have learned and understand the main root cause of the problem. And today I'm going to share with you the solution of how you can manifest your life partner, your soulmate, in just next 6 months time period if you follow this three-step process that I'm going to teach you in this video. Yes, my name is Magical Mohit. I'm a life coach and law of attraction coach. I'm a spiritual manifestation mentor with more than 11 years of experience. Yes, in the last 11 years I've helped a lot of people manifest their soulmate, their life partner, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can do it as well. So let's start with the first question, the most important question. Why are so many of us struggling to find our life partner, to find our soulmate, to get married? A lot of people, they do attract partners, but still they are not happy and satisfied because they keep on attracting the wrong partners again and again. So what is the main reason? After talking to thousands of people in the last 11 years, I have found three main problems, the three main root cause what is actually stopping you from attracting your soulmate, your life partner. Yes, let me talk about them, and I believe that you will be able to connect with at least one of them. So the first challenge or the first blockage that a lot of people have is that they have negative beliefs about relationships, about marriage, about guys and girls. Because of our past experiences, a lot of us have bad experiences in relationship, or when you are a small kid, if you've seen your parents fight a lot, if you have seen marriage has a lot of negative things, negative component, your belief about marriage becomes very negative. A lot of people believe that you have to sacrifice a lot in marriage, you lose your freedom in marriage, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, after marriage your life is over. So a lot of negative beliefs are created through our past experiences and childhood experiences, and if we carry these beliefs with us, we can never manifest our life partner, because these blockages, these belief systems are going to be our biggest blockages. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe. This is how the quantum physics and the law of attraction works. So you need to change your beliefs first if you want to manifest your life partner. The second challenge, or the second biggest blockage that a lot of people face, is fears. A lot of people have the fear of getting married nowadays. They listen to the news and a lot of negative things are happening around us, and because of that they have fears, or even the past experiences and past breakups. The kind of people we attract in our past has also created fears in us. People have trust issues, people have insecurity, fear of rejection, fear of losing the freedom, and lot of fears like commitment phobias, commitment fears. A lot of people are having so much of insecurity and fears nowadays that it is very challenging for them to be in a happy relationship. Even if you attract a very good person, a very good guy or a girl, and if you, let's say, if you attract your life partner, your soulmate, but still you are going to screw it up if you have a lot of insecurities and fears inside you. So if you want to live a happy married life, if you want to be in a very good relationship, you need to first overcome your fears and insecurities. That is very important. And the third biggest blockage that I have observed in the last 10 years is that people, their yin and yang energy is not balanced. The masculine and feminine energy is not balanced. So when your masculine feminine is not balanced, then you can never be in a happy relationship. You can never find a good life partner. Let me give you a simple example. So 20-30 years back, our world was a very simple place. Men used to work, they used to go out, they used to do job or business, they used to be the provider of the house. There used to be the masculine. Masculine is the energy which provides, which take care of the family. It's the provider energy, the go-getter of the family. And women used to be feminine in nature. They used to be loving, caring. They used to take care of the house. They used to take care of the kids. They used to nurture the family. And then that used to be a very good balance between masculine and feminine. Now what has happened in the last 25 to 30 years is that a lot of women empowerment and equality, and now you see that every woman is doing job or business, and they're working, they're following their passion, which is good. I don't say it's a bad thing, it's a good thing. Nowadays women are actually becoming more masculine. So if your masculine and feminine is balanced, it's very good. If both the partner has a balanced masculine feminine, it is going to give you a perfect relationship. But the problem is nowadays a lot of women have become too much masculine and very less feminine. And what I'm observing is that a lot of men are becoming feminine and they are not masculine at all. Yes. So here the struggle comes that a lot of people are getting into relationship, but they are breaking up very easily. A lot of people are attracting wrong kind of partners and they are not happy with it. So if a woman is very masculine and if you are marrying a masculine guy, both masculine cannot live together. Remember, you will have a lot of challenges. You will be always fighting for who is going to be the strong one, who is going to head and lead the relationship. But if a woman is feminine and even man is a feminine, still the relationship doesn't work smoothly, because there will be a lot of chaos, there will be a lot of confusion. One person needs to be a strong masculine and one person needs to be a strong feminine. Only then the relationship will be balanced. If you want to attract a life partner, if you want to attract a good soulmate, you need to first balance your internal masculine and feminine energy. When you do that, 90% of your problems will be over. Remember this. So these are the three main root causes of why a lot of people are struggling in relationship these days, why even after getting married they are not happy in relationship, and a lot of people are single at the age of 30, 35, 40, even 45. You're not able to find a good life partner. Some people have already given up. But if you solve these three problems, and then if you manifest your goals, it will become very easy to find and manifest your partner in just 6 months, 1 year time. I manifested my life partner in just 1 year by overcoming these challenges and then manifestation. So after you overcome these three things, there are 3 simple steps to manifest your life partner. Step number 1, make a list of qualities you want in your life partner. I want my life partner to be spiritual. I want my partner to be intelligent. I want my partner to be, very loving and caring and nurturing. What do you really want from your life partner? Make a list of at least 20, 30 qualities, as much as you want. But remember, even you should have 80% of those qualities. Okay? Because if you are expecting something from others, you should also have those qualities inside you. So make a list and be very clear of what kind of person you want as your life partner. After that, step number 2 is work on yourself. Become the best version of yourself by working on your beliefs, removing your fears, healing your past traumas. You can do a one-to-one counseling sessions, go to therapy, have a life coach to mentor you. Overcome everything, become the best version of yourself, love yourself, have great self-confidence. When you have changed your negative beliefs to positive, when you become full of love, happiness, if you have overcome all your fears and balanced your masculine, feminine, you will become the best version of yourself. Do this in the third and the final step. Daily, just for 5 minutes before you go to sleep, visualize that you have found your life partner. Visualize that you have found your soulmate, you have got married, you're living a happy, joyful life, full of love, joy, freedom, safety. You're enjoying your beautiful life with a beautiful partner. Just for 5 minutes every day, visualize this. Do this activities 3 blockages to remove, and then 3 steps to manifest your goals. If you do this, I believe and I can guarantee that you can manifest your dream soulmate, dream life partner. Yes. But if you are facing any challenge, you can always connect with me. You can book a one-to-one Zoom session with me. I'm sharing the link below in this YouTube page. And if you want to join my 31-day spiritual manifestation journey, you're most welcome. I'm also sharing the link below on this YouTube page. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more such videos which will help you to manifest your dream life. Thank you so much. I wish you all have a magical day. Thank you.